We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
For this DIY protein treatment, you're going to need conditioner, any kind, mayonnaise, honey, eggs. And all of the measurements is according to how much hair you have. I use 4 eggs because I have a lot of hair and I like my hair to be completely saturated in this treatment. So just use as much as you need according to your hair. Mix it all up. Also in this bottle there was a little bit of coconut oil left over, so I did go ahead and just add my protein treatment to the bottle with the coconut oil. Okay, and once everything is mixed, this is what it should look like. You want it to be creamy but not too watery, and I go ahead and put mine into an applicator bottle. That way it's easier to apply to my hair and less messy. Okay, and give it one good shake, and there you have it. I'm starting with dry, week-old hair.